Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border onto your pictures in Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device, and once you open it up, you can tap on the plus button in order to upload any photo that you want to edit. Now, once you upload your photo, you will be taken into the edit menu from which you can make your desired edits right away. Now, if you wish to add a border onto your image, just tap on the tools option and then scroll down and you will now see the frames button. Go ahead and tap on this and now you will see various different borders or frames that are available for your picture. You can tap on each one of these in order to see how it looks on your picture, and when you find a border that you are satisfied with, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. This will now apply your border to your picture right away. And now if you wish to save this, you can simply tap on the export button at the bottom right corner and then choose your format in order to save your picture. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a border or frame onto your photos in Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.